Alright, so we'll rotate at 80 miles per hour, right?
Yeah. And just don't go beyond 500 feet a minute, especially when it's hot. I'll keep an eye on the temps.
Alright. Anyone?
All good? Make sure that's perfect. All right. You're good to go, right? Take a lot of right rudder.
Alright, speed alive.
It is alive.
60 miles per hour. 70. 80 miles per hour.
Yep.
Rotate.
Pull. There you go.
Yeah, please.
Yep.
Positive rate, gear up. Yeah, that's something that I need to remember going forward.
Yep.
Right traffic, Bonanza 5347 Echo, downwind departure to the southwest. Right.
Yeah, temps going way off. Come back to 500. And reduce your power slightly. Go to 25. That's why it was wanting to climb, because it's too powerful. And come back to 25. Just rotate slowly. There you go. And then RPM as well, up to 25.5.
Okay.
Then slowly it came down from 413 to 407. So eventually it'll come down.
Alright, where are we? Alright, I'm gonna turn right. So I should be turning right just about this point.
7, I approach Bonanza 5347 Echo.
November 5347 Echo, center approach.
Approach 47 Echo is a Bonanza BE35, just off the right field, headed to Fulton County, Fox Tango Yankee. We'll be cruising at 6,500. Would like flight following if possible, please.
November 47 Echo, squawk 3215.
3215 for 47 Echo.
November 47 Echo, radar contact 8 miles south of Wright Army Airfield. Altitude at your discretion, you can turn right heading 300.
Right heading 300 for 47 Echo, thank you.
That's good.
47 Echo, restrict area 3005 is active. Only portions we're worried about are Bravo and Charlie up to the flight levels.
Affirmative, will stay out of the active areas, 47 Echo.
And there is Echo active, that's at 4,000, but you should be above that.
Affirm 47 Echo. So for the climb you want 25 or about that.
25,
and for cruise we go to 23 square. If you think we'll get in the clouds, we'll just stop at 4,500 for now.
47 Echo, you can resume your own navigation, just remain clear of 3005 Bravo and Charlie.
47 Echo navigation will stay clear of 3500 Charlie and Echo.
Okay, I think we can turn.
Just Bravo and Charlie now.
Bravo and Charlie, 47 Echo. And now we'll do 2300
Okay.
because it's also a little bumpy.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, temps are good, fuel pressure is good.
Maybe a good time to turn the autopilot on.
It won't work in this bump.
Oh, really?
It'll fight it too much.
Oh, okay.
The servo motors will go crazy.
Oh, really?
141, I'm going to close the cowl flaps.
Okay. Do a little bit of speed, right?
You'll get about 2 knots more.
Oh, okay.
But because of my fuel flow issues, cowl flaps helps a little bit of cooling, but these days it doesn't matter. It's nice and cool right here. It's 57 degrees outside.
Okay.
And it's 343 on the high, which is decent.
So what are we burning on fuel now?
Yeah, we're at 14. Once we settle down, I'll tune it down a little
November
bit.
47 Echo, contact Jacksonville Center 127.57.
2757 47 Echo, thank you. If it's bumpy, you can cut down the power even a bit more. We can go to 20 inches. Slow down a little.
Oh, it's not too bad. This time of the day it's expected.
Jack Center, Bonanza 5347 Echo, 4,500.
5347 Echo, Jack Center, roger. Altimeter 3020.
3020 47 Echo.
125 knots.
Yeah, 134 on the ground.
Okay.
Once it smooths out, we'll jack up the power. We're at 20 inches.
Yeah,
So
I don't think it's going to smooth out at this altitude.
You probably had some long flights that are a little bumpy all the way.
Yeah, a lot of times. All the time.
Especially in the summer.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I hate summer flying. I fly early in the morning or late in the evening. This afternoon flying is bad.
You know, by the time kids are ready and we're ready, it's like usually
I know.
afternoon is when, after lunch is when we typically leave, around this time.
Gosh, that's always bumpy.
So, but you know, once you go up to like 6,500, 8,500,
Security Mike Charlie, Jack
it's not a
Center,
problem.
roger, Dothan, altimeter 3026.
So, but again, when you're descending down to Atlanta airspace, they say, oh, get down to 4,500.
Then you
So
said
the
bump
last-
it around.
Yeah, the last half an hour is usually like this.
Good day.
I'm just putting a little pressure on both the rudders
Oh, okay.
just to keep it from wagging.
Okay, alright.
Doesn't take a lot, just a tad.
Head in the same
Ground
direction.
speed's dropping like crazy.
Yeah.
127. This is like Grumman territory.
3045,
do
clear
at
direct
least
time off,
130.
direct Panama City, then we can work out the rest of it with approach.
Probably have a little bit of headwind too.
Yeah, we have quite a bit of headwind.
But we had like 170 knots at 12.7 gallons earlier.
Yep.
So maybe if you want to lean it.
Yeah, I don't want
I
the
think
temps to
light
go
early
up, so
contact.
it's doing fine right now.
Terrace approach
1250 is reasonable.
25.4.
Because we'll be going up and down on the power. If you lean it and forget it and increase the power, it'll start starving.
Yeah.
You're almost on a straight in for losing. Yeah, I'd go down to 18 inches now.
Okay.
You're almost at 20, that's a lot. If you wanted to, you know, we could get the gear down now, but we're still 30 miles out, 28 miles, so no need. It'll get slow.
Yeah.
And then you'll have to put a lot of power.
No, we don't need to, right?
Yeah.
So RPM still good to 2300?
Oh yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, RPM we won't mess with until we get to short final. Then when we put the gear down, we'll go full prop.
Okay.
That's just to be ready for a go around is all. 25 miles still. So we'll be on right of the Stone Mountain or left of it?
So Stone Mountain is to the left, so we'll be right of the
We'll be right of it, okay. If field is in sight, we'll tell him, then he'll give us the tower. Watch out for those hundreds of birds on your left.
Oh yeah.
Look at that, there's thousands of them. Approach 47 Echo.
Bonanza 47 Echo, go ahead.
Yeah, our present position right by the Stone Mountain. East of it, there's a very big, giant flock of birds spreading about 1,000 feet.
You said just east of where you were at, northeast?
Affirm.
47 Echo, appreciate that. 47 Echo, you can proceed direct Fulton County whenever you're ready.
Direct Fulton County, 47 Echo.
Go fly straight
Bonanza
over.
47 Echo, just remain on that squawk code and contact Fulton County Tower, 118.45.
1845, same squawk, 47 Echo, thank you. Fulton County Tower, Bonanza 5347 Echo, 10 miles to your east will be inbound for Fulton County.
Bonanza 5347 Echo, Fulton County Tower, runway 26, clear to land.
Runway 26, clear to land, 47 Echo. And we are 8 miles out.
Yeah,
No, I
so
think we're good.
we are lined up for the runway.
Yeah,
We are lining up for
we're
the
good.
runway. So that's
Also, I'm
that's
sitting on the wrong side.
Yeah, that's
so
true.
I would cut down the power, not, okay, at about 10 it'll start blaring because the gear is not down.
Okay.
So I would push the nose up a little bit now to get the gear down. Gear is coming down. And now it'll get really slow.
Yeah. So I got to go.
Now you need to give it, not that much. Yeah, I'd still keep the power low because you want to come to the white arc as soon as possible.
Yeah.
And then put about a little bit of flaps. And then put
Maybe
full power, full mixture
All
and
right,
full
push it
prop.
rich. So a
Okay,
little low,
comes.
so I'm going to add some power.
Yep, go ahead. Do what you need to do.
Level off a little bit.
So comps check. Gas is on the fullest tank.
Right.
Undercarriage gear is down. Make
Yep,
sure
make sure
props
it's
are good.
Yep.
Landing lights on.
So what do we land at 80 knots?
Yeah, less than 80. I want to be by the threshold at 80. So we're way fast. That would cut the power
Okay.
a lot more. That's way too much power. There you go, red and white. Even if you just pulled a little bit, you'll start losing speed.
Alright, so are we good on the flaps? So we're about...
We're almost good for flaps.
Okay.
We're almost full flaps.
Alright, we're about 18 knots.
4-439er, make a right 360.
Right 360, 439.
He's making somebody do a right 360 for us. That's okay. There you go. As soon as you cross this highway, I would cut the power all the way because you're too fast. You're way too fast. Cut the power, cut the power. There you go. Perfect. You don't need any power anymore. 14 inches is too much. Just cut it all. Nose up a little bit more. A little bit more. Got it. Good job. Fantastic. I don't know why I was telling you that. Sorry. I'm not a CFI. You did a lot better than I did. Tower Bonanza 47 Echo is taxiing to Hill.
Bonanza 47 Echo, taxi to Hill, via India.
Yeah, India 47 Echo, thank you. Good job.
Alright.
You can land a Bonanza. Better than me.
Number 3026, 439.
I wouldn't say that, but...
From here it looks really weird. But no, you are in a lot better control than I thought. Bueno.
Alright.